I feel at the very core, we are rebels, but with a cause. Max Life believes in transforming the life insurance sector bit by bit. Within a few months of our launch, I recall, something unusual happened. I happened to receive a call from the South Zonal head of the public sector Behemoth, who invited me to his office and said, "I hear that you are recruiting and training your agents very well. We will have to be wary of you because you guys are different. But," he said, "when it comes to claim settlement, we will always be ahead." And guess what? Today, we have disproved him. Today, our claims paid ratio is India ke bharose ka number. We are a top tier player in consumer loyalty and retention, and that's why we have Vymo, to build an insurance business that stands out from the rest.
What sets us apart is that we always knew the art of building agency. But over the last 2 years, we have been embedding the element of science in our agency. Prior to the implementation of Vymo, one of the primary obstacles that our agents faced was the ability to effectively measure and track key inputs, such as sales meetings. And the absence of a robust tracking system made it quite difficult for our agents to gauge their progress and identify areas that they need improvement on, hindering their overall performance. Another notable challenge was the measurement and tracking of supervisory joint calls, which played a critical role in the success of agents.
Vymo is a chosen partner to enable our top 3 priorities. Number 1, execution excellence. It means standardized sales choreography channel-wise and having L3 level input activity metrics that lead to L2 intermediate outcomes, and finally the L1 output that we all desire. Our second focus area is something that is very close to my heart, which is new Frontline Seller Success. As you would imagine, this cohort showed the highest attrition rate. The CFO was concerned that while the salaries of new employees was quite similar to that of higher vintage ones, their productivity was only a fraction, resulting in a cost drag. So we had required a tool that will help us closely monitor supervisory accountability for onboarding, skilling, and joint field activity. And our third focus area is market conduct, which talks directly to the core value of the company, customer obsession. Here we needed a tool that could help in granular, if you may, surgical interventions across a 20,000 field force with instantaneous flow of information to redress customer issues and achieve service and sales recovery.
Firstly, Vymo's mobile interface has eliminated paperwork and manual logging of data, streamlining the planning of activities and driving better outcomes. It has given us clear visibility on daily, weekly, and monthly progress, and this has enhanced the visibility and enabled us to have more effective sales governance and sharper conversations. Our teams are able to act swiftly through the smart nudges provided by the application, with clear call to action to the line managers and the supervisors. We have seen that the total joint sales calls by manager with advisors has grown by 40% this year, and the total advisor recruitment calls have again increased by 65% in the same period.
We have invested in professionalizing agency, offering quality advice, and we have assiduously built a strong direct-to-consumer e-commerce muscle to disprove the widely held belief that insurance is always sold and never bought.
We have been able to digitize and streamline the key activities, which are non-negotiables for the field teams. Vymo has also helped us automate many of the key processes like PRP, which is the performance review and planning, monthly planning, etc., thereby helping increase productivity for both frontline as well as for supervisory roles. So it has been an exciting journey of digital transformation and a big shift towards embedding the element of science in our agency.
At our core, we are in the business of building long-term relationships. Our vision as a company is to be the most admired life insurance company in India by securing the financial future of our customers. Our purpose or mission in working clothes is to inspire people to increase the value of their life, because I believe the India opportunity is under insurance in terms of sum assured coverage. And when we make such commitments to our customers, it is important to have our employees and agents to be with them right through the product lifecycle. It is my job to make sure that they have the absolute best experience in serving their clients, and that's why we have Vymo.